Good morning, children. Welcome to the discussion video for EVS Chapter 20, Whose Forests? In this video, we'll be discussing the Q&A for chapter number 20. Question number 1. Surya Mani says, if the forests are not there, we too will not remain. Why so? Answer. The forests are an essential part of our life. Full stop. They keep our environment neat and clean by absorbing most of the harmful gases and releasing oxygen. We also get many fruits, vegetables, medicines from the forest. Full stop. Besides, many people living in the forest obtain their livelihood from it. Therefore, Surya Mani says, if the forest would disappear, we will be destroyed. Question number 2. The contractor did not allow Surya Mani's people to go into the forest. Why? The contractor would have been cutting the trees and selling the wood for his own profit. He thought, if the forest people will use the forest for their needs, it would be a loss for him. Full stop. Therefore, he did not allow Surya Mani's people to go into the forest. Question number 3. Budhya Mai said, forest is our collective bank, not yours alone or mine. Are there some other things which are collective wealth? So if someone uses more, everyone would suffer? Answer. Yes, there are few other things which I believe are our collective wealth. If someone uses them more, everyone would be at loss, such as Roman number 1, the groundwater. Roman number 2, the fishes in the sea, rivers, etc. Roman number 3, the minerals found under the earth. Roman number 4, the fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, etc. Moving on to question number 4. Some people have moved so far away from the forests that they can't understand the lives of forest people. Some even call them jungli. Why is it not correct to say this? All of you must do this question yourself. Question number 5. Do you have an Adivasi friend? What have you learnt about the forest from him or her? So, answer this question based on your understanding. All of you must do this one yourself. Question number 6. Collect report about forests from newspaper. Did you find any news about how the cutting down of forests affect the weather? How? All of you can do this question by referring to digital copy of newspapers that you can get online and collect the reports to answer the question. Question number 7. Find out more about Chirao dance. Do it in your class, but be careful. Don't hurt yourself. Answer. Chirao is one of the traditional and oldest dance of Mizoram. Since the time when Mizos used to live on the hills of China. Full stop. This dance is performed by an individual or family in most of their festivals and big occasions, such as when there is a bumper harvest of a crop. Full stop. It is also performed in marriage occasions. Full stop. In this dance, men sit face to face on the ground and tap and beat long pairs of horizontal and cross bamboo sticks in a rhythmic beat. Girls in colorful Mizo costumes dance in and out between the bamboo sticks. Gongs and drums are used to accompany the dance. This is the most popular and colorful dance of the Mizos. Question number 8. What is similar and what is different between Jhum farming and Vaskarvas was farming? Answer. Similarities between Bhaskar Bhai's farming and Jhum farming. In both these methods of farming, the manures prepared in the factories are not used. Full stop. Rather, the natural manures formed automatically in the farms itself is used. The differences between the two farming in Bhaskar Bhai used plant waste like dead and rotten leaves, stem, roots, etc. to make manure. Full stop. He dumped them in a pit and allowed to decompose. Spelling of manure, manure. Continuing, this automatically got converted into manure. Full stop. Further, the earthworms also formed small pits in the soil and made it soft and ready for farming. Whereas in Jhum farming, the weeds are burnt in the field and ashes are mixed with the soil, which acts like a manure. Full stop. Moreover, the land is not plowed, but shallow trenches are made in the soil in which seeds are sown. Full stop. Mixed seeds of various crops like maize, paddy, chilies and other vegetables etc. are sown. SOWN. Question number 9. explain in your own words why forests are important for the people living in the forests. Answer: forests are very important for the people living in the forest. Full stop. They are living there since their childhood and thus have many sentiments attached to the forest. They play, sing, dance, and study in the forest. Full stop. They obtain their livelihood from the forest. Full stop. They collect leaves and herbs from the forest and sell this in the bazaar. Weave baskets from bamboo and leaf plates from fallen leaves. Prepare medicines from the herbs, etc. Full stop. Thus their life is entirely dependent on. They can't imagine to live without the forest. Question number 10. Did you find something in jhum farming? What is it? Answer: yes, there are a few things very interesting in jhum farming, such as Roman number 1. The weeds are not removed, but these are burnt, and the ashes are mixed with the soil to make ready for sowing. The land is not plowed. Number 2. The land is not plowed, but shallow trenches are made. trenches, trenches, in which the seeds are sown. Number 3. Mixed seeds of various crops are sown: paddy, maize, chilies, vegetables, sesame, etc.